Hi guys, what's new? Welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? That would be the question. How is your perfume life going? And are you happy with your perfume collection? Are you interested in something else perhaps? And are you thinking to buy something soon? And in general, are you happy to meet autumn? And myself, I'm coming to you with this perfume. It's gonna be unboxing, will be first impressions, and I'm so guys ready finally to unbox this particular perfume. I have seen at the beginning I wasn't familiar with this perfume like at all, guys, but I just simply bought it because there were a lot of reviews, the same as I bought this Midnight Oud as well, which turned out a little bit difficult perfume for me to wear. So this perfume, we're gonna, I already waited perhaps 2 months, and I'm finally ready to simply unbox this particular perfume and to see what is it like. And I am not familiar with this. The only thing that I saw is that it's supposed to be dupe, and very good dupe, to Black Orchid by Tom Ford. I have never smelled any Tom Ford perfumes because they are way out of my league, because they are too expensive, and myself, I'm more about affordable economic perfumes that can make you feel like nice, or rich, whatever way you want to say. So this particular perfume, like Oud 24 hours, it's basically, what is this? I don't understand. Is it 37? That's some kind of letters, isn't it? And basically, so, I guess it's in another type of language there. So basically, what we're gonna do right now, we are going to unbox this perfume. It's by ARD Al ZAAFARAN. ARD Al ZAAFARAN. What time is it? Like, sometimes they write at what year it was released. It says it lasts 36 months after you open. So basically, once I open, I have to consume it within 36 months, to spray it off everything, because it can expire. So let's do it. My first impressions, guys, was this one. It's Amir Al Oud. You can check out the review on this one, and I'm so happy about this perfume. I noticed that many people are happy about Amir Al Oud. It's similar to By the Fireplace, and because it's so sweet, so creamy, so type of really like rich in warmth, like it's a perfect autumn perfume, and it's really nice. Many people like this perfume. So right now, let's do this, guys. Eau de Parfum, 100 ml, natural spray. I wonder why do they say it's natural spray if actually I don't believe in it, because it can be a lot of synthetics. You know why? Because I noticed, it might be just coincidence, but after I smell perfumes, especially Middle Eastern perfume, my nose gets blocked. But it might be just might be just a coincidence. So I'm checking in on that fact right now. Let's unbox this perfume. So that's it, guys. 24 hours. This perfume is for men and for women. Let me read it, guys, for you. Let me read it. What does it say on this particular computer here? I'm new to this perfume. So this perfume, it's Oud 24 hours. ARD Al ZAAFARAN is amber fragrance. I already have a rag perfume by Latafa that is very ambery, and I really like it. Amber fragrance for women and man. Top notes are dark chocolate, mandarin, orange, bergamot. Middle notes, fruity notes, spicy notes, gardenia, ylang-ylang, jasmine. Base notes are patchouli, oud, sandalwood, incense, and amber. I feel this perfume is quite rich in the combination there, and from what I noticed, people really like this perfume, and they say it's so similar to this black orchid, like, which unfortunately I never smelled, and it's kind of like a really quality type of perfume. That's what I hear, and really basically worth a price to pay. That's what I hear. So basically, 24 hours. I wonder why they say 24 hours. I wonder, is that because it lasts 24 hours or what? I don't know what's the meaning of this. From ARD AL ZAAFARAN brand, I already like few perfumes like Dirham Vardi, the pink bottle. But let's turn our eyes right now to this box. So there is this deodorant, there is this deodorant there, deodorant and this type of thing. So as you can see, this deodorant and this, I guess it's very nice to pop in deodorant in your bag, just in case if you ever want to refresh it, and it's not made from glass, so it's not gonna break. So it's interesting, it's interesting to have. It's not like I'm gonna use it very often or anything, but basically this particular perfume, 24 hours, it's shining black perfume. It looks like a class, isn't it? What's written? Made in this must be like Dubai perfume, the perfume ARD AL ZAAFARAN, So as I always say, normally when I spray, when I smell just the cap, if perfume is already strong, I can feel it from the cap. And at this situation, let's see, without even spraying. No, I don't feel anything, but that doesn't mean anything. Let me see. I think I have something around here, so let me just kind of spray perhaps here. Okay, are you guys ready? It's gonna be the first impressions, so it's very important, first impressions, because that's, like from the first impressions, you can actually feel what's going to happen with the perfume, if you're going to like it or not, although sometimes it can change. Like 60% of the time for me, it happens that my opinion changes after using some time. So the atomizer is very strong. Maybe a little bit like a spicy type of manly spicy scent, at the beginning. Wow. You know what? It resembles me a little bit. What it reminds me of this a little bit, very little. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Basically, this midnight oud. A little bit of like 10% of midnight oud in this perfume, but much better. Much better, because this perfume is slightly difficult for me to wear. I think I will need to layer it. So this one, I don't find it versatile, but this one, I really do. I smell this type of, I don't know what is this, coumarin or cardamom, whatever it is, like, wow, like really. It's very nice spices, guys. It's as if there would be this midnight oud, little bit midnight oud mixed with a delicious type of other scent that makes things super interesting. It's sweet spicy perfume, but not like this, like, let's say, spice bomb for man, because those are kind of sweet perfumes there. Sweet perfume, but very kind of common type of perfumes, or let's say Wanted by Azaro. So that type of spiciness is kind of very common, but this spiciness, guys, is not common. It's very delicate. It's very delicate. There is something that is super nice, like something, like something at the base there that is extremely pleasant. Let me check the notes again. I'm really like kind of pleasantly surprised. Let me see, what is this there, like. So as I said before, like, there is dark chocolate, mandarin, bergamot, fruity notes, gardenia, ylang ylang, jasmine, patchouli, oud, incense, and amber. There is one note that is like a bit unusual to me. Although all these notes kind of seems usual, but I smell something that dark chocolate. Let me see, middle notes. Let me see. One moment. Let me spray it again. Okay, so maybe it's chocolate. Who knew? It's very nice, guys. Like really nice. Like it's like. It's definitely, women and men can wear it, definitely. But let's say if you're a man, really don't be afraid of this perfume. It's perfect for men. It's so delicate, very delicate. But for women as well, it's perfect because it kind of has everything in there. Like, let me just spray this, like, I got this advice from one subscriber that I should, after spraying, like not smell immediately, but I supposed to wait a little bit because these Middle Eastern perfumes, they open up more like within time because that first spray can be super harsh, and I really like that advice because that's probably true. Let me spray now. I'm going to be overpowered with everything. Let me just drink a little bit of coffee and figure it out again. This is great, guys. I just really like it. Really like it, guys. This is so like a classy, and this type of spiciness is very, very delicate spiciness. Like, oh my god, like. This perfume will be very versatile because this spiciness is delicate spiciness, and I think you can really go to work with this perfume. I really tell you, like there is something taken from Oud Mood and put into this perfume, but it's made in such a pleasant way that makes things so interesting. Like this perfume, let's say, for the matter of to be, let's say, interesting perfume, I would say 10 out of 10. The pleasantness, it's 10 out of 10. Is it, let's say, sexy perfume? Like, I'm not sure, but that interestingness, it overpowers everything, and it's so interesting that makes things so pleasant, Like I think it's gonna be so suitable to go. Let's say if you want to go to work, and you just simply you are that person that is craving for perfumes, and you want to smell interestingly and not boring. Let's say to get rid of a Boss perfume, get rid of Armani perfume, everything, and you want to smell interesting. That's the perfume. So basically, like, it's sweet. It's not super fresh. It's not fresh, but it's sweet, but not overpowering sweet. And it's spicy. That spiciness, it's extremely interesting spiciness and unusual spiciness. It's not usual spiciness. And there is some kind of flavor that is very, very interesting, in like something. It's either ylang, I don't know what it is, maybe chocolate, I don't know. I'm not sure how it's gonna be. Projection, I will have to discover, guys. Projection, I don't know, like, to me there is something at the base that I would call as if it would be cardamom or something from those spices there, whatever, but it's not written over here, so I don't know. They're very nice, guys. Like, I wonder how does Black Orchid smell like, guys? I don't know, guys. It's a very warming scent, perfect for winter or autumn. If it's gonna be summer, what it's gonna mean is that it's gonna project more in the summer. You know, it's not gonna be freshy. Very often, ARD AL ZAAFARAN perfumes can be freshy, as let's say I have Dirham Gold, you know, Dirham Vardi, and then I have so many others. Like I even forgot right now. So they are kind of more westernized freshies, but this one. It's kind of spiced, westernized, warming scent, you know. I don't think I described very well there, but this one is definitely from ARD AL ZAAFARAN range. It's very interesting smell, guys. Like very interesting smell. I'm pretty sure I will be spraying it at any time of the day. Whenever I want to smell good, you know, and warming type of good, comfy, comfortable, comfy smell, you know. It's definitely unisex, guys. Definitely unisex. Just simply don't buy if you only like those freshies. Let's say if you like Acqua di Gio by Armani, that's nowhere near to this. Or Polo Blue is not completely to opposite side. Completely to opposite side. And it's a nice like very, very interesting perfume with a super interestingly made spices combination, you know, and added sweetness as well. And it's probably one of the interesting perfume from ARD AL ZAAFARAN, you know. I'm pretty sure I will be raving about it, you know, a lot. I will be raving about it a lot, guys. So, that's it, guys. I will finish this review, like this video, and you can wait for my other type of impressions that I will be getting with this perfume within longer run. Is this perfume gonna get, you know, compliments? We will see later on, but so far I'm gonna wish you guys to have a beautiful day. Do I recommend you to buy this perfume if you see this video? Yes, I do, without any fear, pretty much. You know, there is nothing harsh in there, nothing too much like that would be overpowering, you know, like nothing that people would hate, you know. I don't see anything that people would hate in this perfume. I might be wrong, but you need to discover, guys, by yourself. You know, I really like this perfume. It's kind of, you know, 9 out of 9, you know, or 10 out of 10. We will discover this later on, guys. I wish you to have a beautiful day and see you soon.